Imagine a world where your glasses do more than just help you see. They help you understand, where every glance, every interaction, every question you have is answered in real time, right before your eyes. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the future. Welcome to the Google Gemini XR Glasses, powered by the most advanced Android XR platform ever built. 2025, we stand at the edge of a new frontier, a fusion of vision and intelligence. The Gemini XR glasses aren't just smart, they're aware. Designed with the power of Google Gemini AI, these glasses integrate seamlessly into your life, overlaying real-time contextual data, translations, navigation, health insights, and even conversational AI directly into your field of view. It's like having your own personal assistant fused into your vision, always on, always learning, and always helpful. Technology Deep Dive. Excite the tech enthusiasts. Built on Android XR, this is the first Google wearable to fully embrace spatial computing and generative AI in one lightweight frame. With 8-core neural processing, ultra-wide field AR displays, and real-time multimodal interaction, Gemini XR listens, sees, and responds like a human. You say, "What's that building?" Gemini tells you. You look at a foreign menu. Gemini translates. You're lost in a new city. Gemini guides you. It's powered by context-aware intelligence that adapts not just to what you say, but to what you see. Think about what this means for everyday life. Students walking through a museum get instant info on exhibits. Travelers get live subtitles in over 100 languages. Cyclists navigate streets hands-free with augmented directions. Doctors can reference patient charts mid-conversation. Gemini XR is not a gadget. It's a new interface for the world. It's computing you don't carry. It's computing that comes with you. And the best part? This is just the beginning. With deep Gemini integration, these glasses will soon become your memory, your planner, your creative partner, and your daily translator. It's the future of ambient intelligence, where technology fades into the background and your world becomes the screen. So here's the question. Are you ready to stop looking at your device and start looking through it? Because the future isn't in your pocket anymore. It's right in front of your eyes.